Is it Batman living here?
No.
Some Filipino Batman. Bill, Bali, Bila. Really more babies. Hello, Mr. Froggy.
Mr. Froggy.
So guys, we're going to Bohol, Bohol Island. To Bohol. Weather a little bit, maybe it will be rain, I don't know. So we take bike. For 2 days it's 700 peso. It's like maybe $12. Honda Click. So I took this hotel with beautiful view actually. Look. Oh, it's so amazing.
Your destination is on the right.
Yeah. So nice. And our number. It's all new. It's new hotel actually. Oh, some mountains. What's here? Okay, bathroom. Shower things. Okay, so actually it's cost like 2,000 peso, 2,200 peso for 2 nights, and USA dollars it's like, I don't know how much is it in USA. 30? $36 for 2 nights. I think good, cheap, and with beautiful view. So we in Jollibee order some chicken with rice and pineapple something. And next we're going to the beach. We arrived to Panglao Island and it's Panglao Beach. Look what they have. A lot of some boats. Doesn't have some people. I'm not sure that you can swimming here. I'm not sure. So guys, we arrived to another beach. It's named Alona Beach. And there are here a lot of some guys, yeah, some people, some souvenirs. Yeah, nice place. We can swim here and we can make some content here, like take some interviews with some girls. Good weather today actually, not really hot and not some cloudy, so we need to be careful. Yeah. Hello, thank you, but we're a little bit busy. Busy? Yeah, we're busy. Yeah, we have some work. How about these girls? Can ask.
I don't know.
Yeah, we can ask.
Yeah,
Can try. It's second day in Bohol. It's morning. Good view. You can look. And now we're going to Chocolate Hills and this monkey like with big eyes. I don't know how it's named, so okay, let's go. So we're here. Welcome to Tarsier sanctuary. Yeah, it's like this monkeys. You can find him. Good morning. Filipina Tarsier Foundation. We paid 150 peso for each person. And now we're here.
Today, you are about to embark on a unique journey through nature here
Okay.
in the beautiful island
So,
province of Bohol.
we're watching some videos here.
Tourist destinations with its breathtaking
Okay,
sights and
I think that's all.
formation.
We watched some video, it was interesting, and now we're going to some forest things, to Tarsier monkey.
Hi.
Oh, it's so small. He asleep right now.
No.
So small.
He's carrying her baby.
Can I? Where he's looking? So one more is here. Okay, all people make pictures because it's superstar. Is it here? Oh my god, so close. What he's doing? He's just sitting. I think he wants to. What? Yeah, really big guys. Hello. Morning sleeping, yeah?
Let more sound. Hi.
So guys, we have some souvenirs. Like Tarsier, 50 peso. And they have some website for donation. I will share it on screen. And you can make some donation for these wonderful animals. It looks like small human. Thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Website for donations.
Right, here's some.
Oh, so Filipina Foundation.com.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys, if you want to make some donation. Okay, we go next to Chocolate Hills. So guys, we near Chocolate Hills. Our way was maybe 1 hour, and now we wait our shuttle. Yeah, it's 100 peso for every person. So we arrived Chocolate Hills, and we go to up. Look, some unusual mountains or hills. A lot of tourists. Not easy. 1000 steps, I think. So now we're here. Sorry? Looks. What is it? Is it real chocolate, yeah? Or maybe here. Yeah, it looks amazing, guys. Unusual. Interesting. What happens here? People make pictures.
No, not yet. Not yet.
So yes, it was really interesting hills, but look, what is it? It's just here, yeah? Look with flowers, it looks nice too. How about this? Yeah, we can go here, it's nice. Take me home tonight. I don't know. It's like Sheer. It's like Sheer in Lord of the Rings. So guys, now we're going next. Next our point is some forest, some wonderful magic forest from Bohol. I forgot its name, like Bilya forest. Okay, so we had some lunch in this place. A lot of some flowers there. So let's go. Oh, it's a little bit rain. We are stopping. So waiting is done, yeah? Yeah, it's some dog. It's a little bit shiny, but it's okay. So it's some river here. I think it's Loboc River, something like this. And some bridge.
Do you like to cross?
Yeah. Hello. So let's go. It's okay. Construction looks not really good. It's okay. Hello.
Hi.
So what is it?
It's there's a boat. There's you wanna ride the boat or you wanna ride it's on a paddle.
Like this, yeah.
And this is traditional bamboo kayak. Yeah.
How long time is it?
Just if you ride this one, almost 30 minutes
30 minutes.
going there. There's a falls over there.
What next? Like our bike here.
Yeah, you can put your bike there.
How we go back? It just
Yeah, just you're coming
around.
back here. Yeah, you're around.
Okay, I see. How much is it?
Just what you want to ride?
I don't know. You
wanna
can
have
say
Just
anything.
what or
Like this, or maybe this, or maybe this.
this one is a bamboo kayak is just 350 only.
350.
Yeah.
This
That one is 700.
700.
Yeah.
So what is more interesting? What do you
Yeah,
think?
this one is traditional.
Traditional.
This is bamboo, yeah.
Okay, it's okay for like for two people.
I do. We choose a big one.
Big one kayak.
Yeah.
Traditional.
Yeah, because maybe it's going drowning, no? Maybe it's not enough for two
I
person.
think
Yeah.
I think she's not going because
Go
she's
with you?
scared. Yeah, she can't swim.
Hey, you can ride her. About
How
if
much?
you want. I give you only like 700.
700.
Yeah, for to.
Okay,
Just for-
we should. But I think it's more interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, that's more interesting because you're good for
Yeah.
like exercise.
Yeah, I like this.
Where are you?
So I need to ask. Yeah.
Hey, right.
some traditional things. You scared? No? It's rain and sun. It looks really nice. There we go. Hello. So nice. It's our third day, and today we in Kangcaramel Cave. For us, interesting more cave.
Yung nagkuhan ka, we go up for about 6 to 7 steps.
Okay, I think I can.
Yeah.
Is it some equipment?
And no stagnant water inside the cave. During the World War II, during the World War II, people live near to this cave. They're hiding inside.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
I like some kind places. Oh my gosh, look guys.
Skin from the python. Skin on their skin.
Creepy sound. What is it?
Sure.
Is that bad?
But yeah.
My gosh, so noisy.
What is that? Tarantula.
Is there a? Oh yeah, really. I look.
Scorpion.
Scorpion?
Yeah, a tailless scorpion.
Some scorpion. My god, it looks unusual. Oh my god, it's millions. Is it Batman living here?
No.
Some Filipina Batman. In the bar?
Yeah, at the bar. They're outside.
It's for eat?
Yeah, drink.
I drink.
And even though there's a fruit also.
Okay, we can try.
Yeah.
So noisy. Millions and millions bats.
That's why this cave, no water, because this cave is not a sinking cave, going up to the mountain. That's why there's no water inside the cave.
It looks crazy. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Where are you going? My god. It's so dangerous place. Okay.
And there's another chamber over there. Crawl for about, other people, if they want to, crawl for about 5 meters. And then after that, they can stand another chamber there. But there's a hole there at the right side, not yet explored. Not yet explored. Very far.
Very far.
Yeah, possibility snake is there because that place is not yet disturbed.
Snake can
No
be there.
light. No light at all. But her, they're already disturbed, that's why after eating more bats, they go there hiding.
Okay. It looks extremely.
Till scorpion, 8 cockroaches.
Where?
There.
Ah,
Also there.
oh my god.
First time, pilan ko sa Bohol. 3 days, then back to Cebu.
It looks interesting. No python today. Maybe it's day off.
Or we go to church because today is Sunday.
Yeah.
Please touch your head again. And you can stop also at the flower farm.
Flower farm.
Yeah, no need to pay because that's a part of your tour here.
Okay.
There also mini castle trees.
Yeah, my God.
They are there because other
my
because
gosh.
by the mini also frog here.
It's all oh my God.
Big frog.
Oh my God, can I make zoom?
You can
It's
go
frog.
closer. Where is it?
Hello, Mr. Froggy.
Mr. Froggy. Yeah. We go there? Three chambers there, but easy to go inside. Only one chamber, first chamber.
Okay.
Jump.
You go.
And also more practices. Watch your hand.
What are you doing here, guy?
Look at your hand. And watch your steps. We're now inside the first chamber.
Is it some place?
This?
Yeah.
This is an old
my God.
guano, meaning
My
from
God.
the old pope of the bats become stone. Yeah.
What is it?
Watch your head.
Huh?
Watch your head.
Okay.
In the second chamber, mini bats. On the right side, there's a holder.
Is it dangerous?
No, you can look. You can look. No. But they're very dangerous to go inside. No. Mami kabalo ano siya bumili kami yung sulata.
The hell?
And there's during the World War II people hiding here. I don't know if there's a died person inside. Maybe possibility if they're old enough. Yeah, almost to have a baby. Look at that. Yeah, a tail scorpion. Almost to have a baby.
Okay, I see.
Pregnant.
Pregnant.
Yeah.
Pregnant, yeah, okay. My God, a lot of something.
That's why they are so many here. A lot of tail scorpion because it produces more baby. More babies. Yeah.
Really more babies.
Yeah.
Whew. Jesus Christ. Things, religious. Hello. It was really interesting place, and it's my recommendation for you. So guys, after cave we're going to some garden. It's near, yeah, and there are some dragon shake. Quite peaceful place. It will be good for if you come here with your wife, with your girlfriend, with your Filipina girlfriend, for example. So what is it? Lag cow. I think maybe people living here. Relaxing place, yeah. So guys, we in hotel now. I'm so tired after this day. It was interesting day, but it was a little bit hard. So thank you for watching and subscribe please for my channel. And you can see sunset.